Come on guys, John from Efata Refrigeração with another super video for our channel guys. And who is that day today? It's this little one here. Oh, if you have this refrigerator and it's not freezing, pay attention to what I'm going to say. It's not freezing, it's weakened the bottom. The freezing part of it is not working properly. Or she's dripping water. Watch this video until the end, because in this video I will show you all the step-by-step that you will do to solve it. There doesn't need to be any YouTube video, only this one will solve your problem. So pay attention. Refrigerator, this here, I'll make it easier. It's not frozen, it's not freezing underneath. Pay attention, let's go straight to the video. It's closed guys. Here's the thing, I already have it open here. What happened in this refrigerator? The customer said that the refrigerator is not freezing. It wasn't freezing the bottom and it wasn't freezing, so what did she do? She unplugged the fridge from the outlet, left it unplugged for 2 days, she turned it back on, and now it's freezing again. You see? She froze again. Maybe you will do this from there and your problem will not be solved. Because every time the refrigerator stops freezing, most of the time, the cons makes it easier, mainly because it has a problem defrosting some part that is inside that I'm going to show you. So when I got here today, I already went to open it here. I'm going to turn it on. You see, this refrigerator of yours, it's accumulating ice like this. On the side like this. Or it's accumulating ice here. These air passages aren't open, or here is it also because it has a blockage problem. Okay, what is a blockage, John? She's not defrosting properly. What does it mean to thaw, John? It's melting ice. Because this France-free refrigerator, it melts ice, makes ice, melts ice, and makes ice. So she can't accumulate ice either on the side or here in the passages below. Okay? So here's the thing. I'm going to open up here. I'm going to rip this little door off here. Okay? I'm going to tear off this shelf here. It's very easy. And I'm also going to dismantle this part here. Okay, guys? Now we're going to have to tear off this little door first. You're going to come here. Okay? With one hand, it's difficult, guys. You're going to come here right at this entrance here. And you're going to put the screwdriver here. Let me take this little eraser out of here. Maybe you won't be able to see it. Okay? You're going to put the screwdriver in here. Maybe it's going to be closed. You're going to pout down. See? She'll unlock it. It's unlocked, guys. I've unlocked it here. I've unlocked it here. Now you're going to have to come down here and pull the thing. A lock here. You see here. Pulling it up is because I won't be able to dismantle it, guys. Dismantle it. You see, you pull these two. They were up and pull them out. This from here is there. Then you come and dismantle these two screws and also loosen this fairing here. It won't be possible for me to dismantle it because I'm filming and showing it to you here. Okay, guys. I already took off the fairing, you see. She already has ice, excess ice here. Here is also excess ice behind this. Styrofoam is full of ice. What am I going to have to do here? You see here? I'm going to have to defrost her with a hairdryer. Don't leave the hairdryer in the same place. It runs like this. It doesn't run much on the parts. It's on the parts. It doesn't just run on this side here. More of the styrofoam. More of the evaporator here. You see? This side here. Because otherwise it's dangerous to melt here. So I'm going to defrost. I'm going to remove this airplane. And we're going to do her self-test. Guys, I already loosened that fairing from the airport. If your refrigerator is full of ice here, and these bastards are all covered. It's blocked. Mine's blocked. You see, I thawed a little here. There's still an excess of ice left. What's up with that? She's not making ice, okay? It can be compensated. John, that is damaged. It could be the resistance. That is this aluminum path here. It heats up to melt the ice. Maybe it's not heating up either. It could be the defrost sensor, which it is. Like the refrigerator thermostat that used to turn it off and on. If it doesn't work properly either, it won't turn it off. It'll keep it going, right? The refrigeration will accumulate ice, okay? And it can also be the term fuse too, guys. He stays in here. You see this term rifle here? If it is damaged also, it will not work the defrosting part. And it can also be the board, but the board in the last case. Now I'm going to show you how to do the self-test. You don't have any tools. You're not technical. You're nothing. But I'm going to show you here how to do the self-test of this refrigerator so you can identify which of these parts here are damaged. What else you'll have is in the self-test. Fan resistor fuse term will only have the sensor last and the board too, because if the board is working, it is because it is sending the commands correctly. Alright, beautiful guys, I just want to tell you something for you who want to take a complete refrigeration course. The IFATA refrigeration course is the best course. This is not a course, it's a life transformation. There we offer the refrigeration course, the buying and selling course, the Google course, the Facebook course, and the Canva course. People who are where I teach, making business cards is pamphlets, making budget sheets. So it's the only refrigeration course that if you buy a course, you get another 5, okay? For you to add value to yours, to your income, beauty. So the IFTA refrigeration course, it will be in the first link fixed and also in the comments, okay? It will be in the description and also in the comments fixed. Just click on the link there and make the purchase. Guys, the course is for life. You can study as much as you want. It has more than 120 classes and even has the WhatsApp group of students that you can answer all these questions there, being able to solve any type of refrigerator defect. Okay, so the IFATA course is the top course that exists on the market today. Okay, so folks, we're going to have to do the self-test. How do I do the self-test, John? You will turn off your refrigerator. You will leave it off for about 10 minutes. You will disassemble everything. You will leave it off. You will put the refrigerator wire in the socket. Then you will come here on this panel and you will do the commands that I will tell you, okay? I'll explain it to you exactly step by step, okay? So now I'm going to plug it in so we can start doing everything step by step, okay? So I'm gonna drag her here. Oh, there's no cut here, guys. Here I speak the language that anyone understands. This model has refrigeration. It doesn't have it for anyone. You're going to put it at least here. If it doesn't have it, at least you're going to press it here. Oh, until it enters at least. It's at least 30 seconds, guys. Press it here. Oh, until it turns off OLED there. I turned off OLED. It entered auto test, okay? It entered auto test here. I'm going to press it just once. I pressed it once, it will light up this first LED here. Oh, that the number 1 here will not mean anything. You will press it again. Oh, it will turn off. Now I will press it again, and it will light up this second LED. What he will test in this second LED, then he will test the fan and the compressor to see if it is working. So we're going to test 2 pieces in one test, okay? So let's press here to see if it works. Oh, I pressed the fan, is it on? And now also understanding on, okay? So I already know that the compressor and the fan in my refrigerator is working. That's perfect. Guys, another thing, when you go to do the self-test, leave it like this. Oh, open. Because it will be much easier for you to identify the defect. The other test is for that, is to speed up the process for you to identify the defect much faster. Okay, here's the thing. Let's turn it off. I already know that the fan and motor are working. Now I'm going to light this third LED here, which is the resistance OLED, okay? I'm going to light the resistance one. Oh, it's lit. Now let's go to the resistance here. It's going to have to heat up, guys. This resistance here, oh, if it doesn't heat up, it's going to be burned, or the fuse term is burned. But if it heats up, because the fuse term is good and the resistance is also good, okay? So let's wait here to see if it will get the energy here and it will heat up. Oh, guys, just so you understand one thing here. Oh, I put my reason on the scale here of tension. Behind here, oh, of the resistance wire, because I want to know if voltage is arriving. Here in the resistance, in the self-test, oh, it is arriving. So if it doesn't heat up, it's because the term fuse is blown, the resistor is blown. Guys, what I noticed in this resistance of mine, here, in this middle, here at the entrance, it's not heating up here either. In the middle here, oh, in this middle pipe, here it's not heating up either. Oh, it's cold. Here it's cold too, oh. It's heating up here, oh, just this little side here and just this side here. oh, this and this, but the means here, oh, it's not heating up either here, oh, and neither here. So if she's not warming up here, there's no point in her warming up around her. She has to warm up completely. Okay? All right? So if your resistance isn't heating up all the way here, it's because it's damaged. So guys, in my case here, what am I going to have to do? I'm going to have to replace this resistance. João, you're not going to teach me how to replace it. Not in my course, I'll teach it. Okay? If you want to fall into the first link below, then good beauty. And if my resistance is heating up here, and then what could be if it is completely heating up, then you will come here and change this guy here. Oh, change this sensor that is in the evaporator. And also change this sensor here, change these two sensors. If your resistance is heating up, you tested everything, did the same as I did here in the video, and you saw that everything is working. You come here, change this defrost sensor and this sensor temperature, okay? It closed, then it's the following. Guys, I turned it off here. Oh, but here it was in the third one here. What was I going to do next? I came here to squeeze one more time. She was gonna pay. Then I would press one more time. She would light up the room here, and then I would press one more time. She would leave the self-test. So what matters to us here is 2 and 3. In 2, I find out if she has a problem with the motor fan. And in 3, I see if she has a problem with the resistance and fuse term. That's why I tell you, you who are technicians, man, take advantage of the advantages of the refrigerator, right? It proposes for you to find the defect much faster. You may be wasting time and trying to be, ooh, guava pussy and maybe one.